Hello kids, nice to see you again. Let's draw the lovebirds using the letter capital X. So draw the X and at top two corners draw two circles to draw the head part. Yes. And then to complete the body part, join it to the center point of the X and the wings for both the birds. Here, decorate the wings as you wish. You can draw the circles also. Yes, let's draw the eyes. Here, the eyes make the bird look cute. Yeah, let's differentiate the eyes of both the birds. First, this bird. Yeah, the first bird eyes are looking so cute. Yeah, once you get shaded, we'll go to the beak part. Yes, sharp pointed beaks. Yes. And as this is a girl bird, it'll decorate its head with flower. Looking so cute. And the next bird. So these eyes are also looking stunning. Yeah, you see the output? Yeah. Oh, eyelashes. Eyelashes are really so cute and super pointed beaks. Yes, let's complete the tail part of both the birds. Yes, almost the tail part will be looking the same. And we'll again decorate it with long lines and so thin legs. So both the birds are sitting on the branch of a tree. Yes. Hope you guys are following me. Yeah, since both the birds are fight, but still they love each other. Love, love, love. Hope you guys like these videos. Do subscribe if you like this video. And do comment if you like these birds. For more videos, click on the bell icon to get notified. Bye bye.